कोणेच इनिशिएटीव घेवन करपाचें नाल्यार बाबा कोणे तरी इनिशिएटीव घेवन हें सारकें करपाचें.
शुक्रारा वास्को पुलिशेन शिंदळकी वेवसाय करपी रॅकेटाचो पर्दाफाश केलो. ह्या वेवसायांतल्यान पुलिशेन दोगा चलयांची सुटका केल्या. तशेंच घुवळी वखदांच्या केशींत एका तरणाट्याक अटक केल्या म्हण माहिती वास्कोचे PI नलास्को रापोसो हांणी दिल्या. RDX वा खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
Vasco Police, after receipt of specific and reliable information that a car driver is supplying girls to male customers at Vasco for the purpose of prostitution, a raid was conducted after securing presence of 2 punch witnesses and after securing presence also of NGO Tara Kirkar. And during the said raid, one car driver, namely Javed Patil, aged 33 years, resident of Shiroda, Ponda, was caught red-handed while delivering 2 girls in the age group of 28 to 30, one from Mumbai and other one from West Bengal, to the male customers for the purpose of prostitution. A deal was struck between the decoy customer for 25,000 rupees. Both the girls thereafter were produced before the sub-division magistrate and lodged in protective home premises for their safety and protection. The accused person, Javed Patel, is right now in police custody. He is being produced before the magistrate for remand. There is another accused by name Samir, who is presently absconding. We will continue our drive against illegal activities. On receipt of specific and reliable information, Vasco Police conducted a raid after securing presence of 2 punch witnesses and caught red-handed one Lavkush Yadav, aged 21 years, a native of Banaras, Uttar Pradesh and presently residing at New Vade, Vasco. He has been found in illegal possession of 832 grams ganja. Further investigation progress. An offence is booked against him under the provision of NDPS Act. Today he has been produced before the JFC Vasco for further remand. Further investigation is with PSI Vikas Dek. Our drive against drugs, and this is the 5th seizure we have done for the current year. Thank you.